In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Zelle with Bank of America. Whether you want to send money to a friend or split the dinner bill, Zelle makes transferring funds quick and easy. It's seamlessly integrated into the Bank of America mobile app, making it a convenient option for anyone already banking with them. Let's dive right in. To start, make sure you have the Bank of America mobile banking app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is ready to go, open it and sign in using your credentials. If you're already familiar with Bank of America's mobile banking environment, you'll notice it's straightforward to navigate through. Once logged in, you'll want to look for the button labeled Pay and Transfer. It's usually located near the bottom of the screen or within the main menu, depending on your device. Tap on it, and you will see a few options related to managing your payments and transfers. Here, you should find an option for Zelle, a digital payments network designed for simplicity and speed. If it's your first time using Zelle, you'll need to set it up. Don't worry, the process is simple and takes just a few minutes. Look for the option to Set up Zelle R. This might also be located under Settings inside the Zelle section of the app. Once you've selected it, follow the on-screen prompts to get everything in place. During the setup, you'll be prompted to confirm either a US mobile number or an email address. This step is crucial because it allows Zelle to correctly identify your account for transactions. After you select your preferred contact method, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions provided by Bank of America and Zelle. Next, Bank of America will send a one-time code to the mobile number or email you've provided. This is an important security measure to ensure it's really you setting up the account. Once you receive this code, enter it into the app where prompted. Successfully entering this code will complete the verification process. Afterwards, your mobile number or email will be linked to your Bank of America account and set as your Zelle delivery address. This means that when someone sends you money through Zelle, it will go directly into your linked Bank of America account, making it a seamless transaction. And just like that, you're all set up. Now, you can easily send or receive money with just a few taps on your phone. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Zelle's convenient money transfer options within the comfort of your existing Bank of America mobile app. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy the ease of modern banking at your fingertips.